My name is Anurag Ram.
Alak Thapli.
Sneha Bahura. Ishika.
My name is Vijayalakshmi Raturi.
And my name is Bhumika Gutholi.
Okay, so how are you feeling today?
I'm purple.
Purple. You blue.
I am feeling as small as a pencil and color blue. But today I am feeling okay.
My feeling as large as like a mountain, and my color is blue.
And I'm feeling as big as a table, and my color is also blue.
And the word perspective means to me is that what we think to a particular object in many different ways. In Hindi we can also say देखने का नजरिया.
I think that perspective is someone's opinion about the topic or something.
We see a thing from different direction or an angle.
So I won't see that a tree as simply as a tree. I would think of something really different, and I would think that what else could be done from it, or how can it look if we think it in different perspective, from a perspective of a doctor, scientist, or history.
And the best memory that I remember that the Shairi one, the class in the block session. So in this you tell us about many Shairis, and the students try, and it was a very nice experience.
Mine was that when you come and you see that we are getting lazy and you played us new games like that, clap, don't clap, and sit down.
दूर से देखा तो गुलाब देखा, पास जाके देखा तो फूलों का बाग देखा.
दूर से देखा तो गुलाब का फूल देखा, पास जाके देखा तो गुलाबों में कांटा देखा.
Right. Don't clap. 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 Don't clap. Don't clap. Don't clap. 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 Don't clap.
Ma'am, information bucketing, when we used to write about the topics and jot down the notes in a short way.
Ma'am, my favorite activity was like that. This is not a traffic light. This is a broken guitar or anything.
Think Out of the Box is an activity where students were given a paper with an object drawn on it, and they were asked to create something entirely new around that object.
Guitar, and we can show an ad of Super Glue from which we can join them.
Their creations were later displayed at a prime spot in the school, turning them into celebrated stars and inspiring others in the process.
My camera, if you will hold like this is my stand, this is my one that lens, and this is my button, and I will say cheese.
My perspective has changed. After this workshop, I learned many ways to see things.
When you gave that activity, the traffic light, and that time I was thinking that the traffic light is a traffic light, and after you explained the meaning perspective, then I know that the perspective we can see the traffic light from other ways.
Then I really saw the world differently. For example, when I saw a traffic light again, then I think that if we cut the pole there, so it will be a Thor's hammer.
I will later on work more on these type of projects or in a group activity, as we'll see each other's strength, weakness, and the way we look something, that perspective.
I learned that how much attention we can give to a class or any presence of mind.
How much curiosity I have.
I learned that how can I express my feeling, when somebody asked me how are you feeling, I justly say fine. Now I can say, I can give any color, any gesture.
If I have to judge something, so I should be not every time negative. I should appreciate it also. I should be a appreciator.